Well, welcome everyone, and this is your next chapter that will be on how to execute a trade, and this is how you will be executing. So, in this chapter, I will telling you about how to execute a trade, and this will be a little shorter video. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe, like it, share it to everyone because this course is free. And if you want to learn, and if you want to learn more, until unless I won't get a mark of at least 100 likes or so in the upcoming videos as well, I won't be sharing the video. So please do like it and share it as well to your friends and family, whoever want to learn stock market. And so let's start. So as we can see, this is a angel broking platform. So how do we execute a trade? So that is very simple. So first of all, we should know that how many segments are there. There are actually equity. This is the equity segment. Futures and options are there, so of the same equity derivatives. There are commodities, that is gold, silver, natural gas, whatsoever. Then comes the currency part, that is USD, INR, and whatsoever, GBP, INR, JYP, INR, whatsoever it is there. Okay, so now we'll know that how to execute a trade. There are different types of orders in that. I have explained about the overview of the angel broking platform already, so we will not be going through that now. So now we will see how to execute a trade. So for example, we are taking a trade of, let's see, HDFC. Now take HDFC, click here. You are thinking that it will go up, so you have to go there, select a buy order. So there are options here. First is the normal one. I won't be I won't be executing any orders for now, and just I will tell you where to execute and where what things has to be filled up. So this is a buy order, this is a normal order. That means normal order means that the fund you are having, that will be on the basis of that amount. You can at that price you can buy that product or whatsoever equity or securities at that price only. For example, you have 10,000 rupees, so you can buy worth rupees 10,000 only, not more than that. It doesn't give the leverage. So next comes the stop loss. What is a stop loss order? So before going to stop loss, I want to tell you that here comes the symbol, whatever the security it is, HDFC, the number of shares you want to buy. For example, I want to buy 500 shares, and price market, this is a price market. Okay, you can change it if you want that it has to be bought at 1981, so you can just change it like this, and you can definitely carry on. You can disclose the quantity if you're buying like real big quantities, like some people don't disclose their quantities because to hide their like portfolio, like don't want to show there in the volume chart, so they do it. But it doesn't matter to the retail traders because they don't buy such a big quantity, so they can hide that. They don't need to hide that, sorry. Next is the exchange. You don't have to change this. Validity is day, nothing. So right now it's 11 o'clock, so it's the market is closed, and that's why it is written AM order, after market order delivery. So we can buy it, but I won't be buying it, so because it is automatically set. So at the time of that you will be seeing delivery and that intraday. Yeah, so for now, let's see stop loss. What is a stop loss? So I hope you have like after placing all the quantities and the price whatever desired, so you can just submit and a order will be placed and ready for the buying position. Now comes the stop loss. What is a stop loss? So stop loss is a point at which you want to stop your losses. Simple is that the word says at all. Okay, so this is stop loss. So stop loss, like for example, you bought at 1980 and 1979, you want that, you're saying that it will go up. And one thing more, yeah, so I was telling that this is a buy. You can, if you click here, it will go for the selling position. So you can just vice versa from here only, and from this pop-up window of the order placement. So this is a buy, and this is a trigger price. Now comes to the stop loss. Stop loss, for example, you want to put a stop loss on 1974, and you are expecting to market go, and you're expecting the market to go at 90, so 1990. Okay, but against you the market goes down and hits a mark of 1974. So automatically this order, this particular order that you have bought HDFC, it will automatically sell at that position. Okay, so people get confused, what is the trigger price, what is the market price. So I will clear it in this video only, so that I don't have to make another video. So let's see. For example, you have placed a buying order before of HDFC. Okay, that is clear. 500 quantities you have been you have already placed that and it is running, and you think that if it will go down like till 1974, you have to sell that. It means you have to book your loss. So what you will do, you have to place the trigger price. See, you have to place the trigger price. For example, the stop loss you want to keep is 1974. So what you can do, you can do in the multiples of 5. So 1974.5, this is the trigger. Matlab at this price, the broker takes the price to force that order into the system so that it can get easily sold at the particular price that you desired. Then what is the price you have to keep here? You will keep 9 and 74. So that is the price that you have to keep the stop loss. This is a trigger, is the minimum amount that has to be at that least, like that you can tell, like threshold point at which the starts taking the orders to the selling part of the like this whole view of the broker in the brokerage. It is all same. So how many quantities you want to sell, that depends on you. Whatever quantity you have bought, you can sell that, totally depending on you. Next come the robo order. Okay, it is nothing there, so it is not, so it is saying what it is saying. Okay, this feature is currently unavailable. I'm sorry, because of the market is closed, as well as they have stopped using the robo order for now. So I will tell you likewise only. So robo order is the order in which you can place both target as well as the stop loss in the same order by placing the order as well. Okay, that is a robo order they are providing. This is a very good feature, I would say. You can directly place the order as well as the stop loss at the same time, so there is no hustle around, like you have to see again and again that my order has been hit or like my stop loss has been hit. So you don't have to worry. So you can use this order always, this robo order, and you can get free of like of work, or you can do anything you want. So this was the how do you execute a trade. So this was all. I think this is quite enough to know how do you execute a trade in angel broking. Similarly goes for every broker you go. You have the same pop-up window, buying position, selling, whatsoever you choose. There will be the same configuration, like buying symbol, what symbol name you don't have to change. You can also change from this point. Also you can tell, you can type like Apollo, like you can type, just a second, you can type like Tata Motors. If I type Tata Motors, see, it will automatically come. It will automatically come whatever the symbol you choose. It will automatically come. You don't have to change whatever you are buying. You have to just keep it that. You place the quantity, the price you don't have to do this, because I know that you won't be buying like lakhs of quantity, so don't bother to even touch that. This is NSE, that is fine, no issues. Day validity, and here we'll be using intraday and delivery. Delivery means the fund you are having, you will be buying that much amount, and intraday means that the order will be provided with the leverage if you want to take. Otherwise you can buy at your own price as well, and the market will execute after 3 o'clock automatically, whether you are in profit or loss. So this was all over the experience of how to do you execute a trade in angel broking. And do like, share, subscribe the channel. And if you haven't opened an account in angel broking, please do open. They are providing real good stuff like arc and whatsoever, like totally like crazy. This is arc they are providing. So they provide calls on that at a particular very minimal fees, so they guide you through the portfolio as well. You can go for that, and that is very good. And you should always uh, like trade like through with the best, and you should learn always. And till then, take care, and please do share this video, because this is a free course. No one will give you the free course, so please do share it, like it, and subscribe it. Thank you.